You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, this expression from German. If you want to learn more German vocabulary, more German names that are often confused, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you at the end of this one. The German pronunciation and how it's usually said in English. Übermensch. It means superhuman man, Superman, essentially. Über, it's normally a U with an umlaut, so it's an U sound, okay? Übermensch is the German pronunciation. Now in English, this U sound doesn't really exist, so a lot of people will say Übermensch in English, so that's more the English pronunciation. In German, Übermensch. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.